Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss a video. And watch this video till the end because at the end I have shared a story of a man with vitamin D overdose. Guys, today we are diving into an important health topic, the science of vitamin D overdose. Vitamin D is essential for our health, but like anything, too much of it can be harmful. As someone has rightly said that medicine in large amounts is poison, while poison in small amounts is medicine. Let's get started. So first of all, what is vitamin D? Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is crucial for maintaining healthy bones and teeth, supporting our immune system, brain and nervous system, and regulating insulin levels. It is unique because our bodies can produce it when exposed to sunlight. But we can also get it from certain foods and supplements. But how much vitamin D is too much? The recommended daily allowance of vitamin D varies by health, age, conditions, and exposure to sunlight. For most adults, it's around 600 to 800 international units per day. However, taking more than 4,000 international units per day can lead to toxicity, especially if taken over long periods. So guys, how do you know if you are taking too much vitamin D? Here are the signs and symptoms to watch out for. Number 1 is nausea and vomiting. Guys, one of the earliest signs of vitamin D toxicity is nausea and vomiting. This happens because too much vitamin D can cause high calcium levels in the blood, known as hypercalcemia. Number 2 is loss of appetite and weight loss. If you are experiencing a significant loss of appetite or unexplained weight loss, it could be a sign of excessive vitamin D intake. Number 3 is frequent urination and thirst. Vitamin D toxicity can lead to increased urination and thirst. This is another result of hypercalcemia. Number 4 is weakness and fatigue. Feeling unusually tired or weak. These are common symptoms of many conditions including vitamin D overdose. Number 5 is bone pain. Ironically, while vitamin D is supposed to help with bone health, too much of it can actually cause bone pain due to excess calcium. Number 6 is kidney problems. Excessive vitamin D can cause calcium deposits in the kidneys, leading to kidney stones or even kidney failure in severe cases. Number 7 is heart problems. Hypercalcemia, which is high calcium levels in blood, can also affect the heart, causing irregular heartbeats or cardiovascular damage. Now guys, let's talk about the real life case. There have been instances where individuals took high doses of vitamin D supplements for extended periods, leading to severe health issues. For example, a man in Canada developed severe kidney failure after taking 8,000 to 12,000 of international units of vitamin D daily for 2.5 years. So guys, how to actually prevent vitamin D overdose? So answer is follow these tips. Number 1 is consult your doctor. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially at higher doses. Number 2 is follow dosage recommendation. Stick to the recommended daily allowance unless your doctor advises otherwise. Number 3 is get regular blood test. If you are taking vitamin D supplements regularly, get your blood levels checked to ensure they are within a safe range. So guys, what to do if you suspect overdose of vitamin D? If you suspect you might be experiencing a vitamin D overdose, contact a healthcare professional immediately. They can perform blood tests to check your calcium and vitamin D levels and recommend appropriate treatment, which may include stopping the supplements and taking medications to manage symptoms. Remember, while vitamin D is essential for good health, moderation is key. Too much of a good thing can be harmful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Thank you so much.